By the way, just so you know, I'm actually using a hose from the transmission, like from the sleigh valve, one that goes from the sleigh valve to the regulator of the piston. And these are all 1/8 NPT fittings. And for any mechanics or truckers there, uh, my fellows in labor, however funny that sounds, not in labor like a child labor or a hospital child being born kind of labor. Anyways, shut up. Anyways, you can get the free manual for your transmission from Eaton, from the Eaton website. What all the transmissions ever made, they have the manual, the service manual, the troubleshooting manual, and the parts manual. You can get them for free on their website, and the website lists all the hoses, the fittings, even the screws sizes for all the parts you need. So if you need any parts, you don't have to spend hours checking on them, searching for it online. Just go to Eaton website and get your manual from there.